Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Lindsay.
And this is Ballroom Feed. And today we're doing the back walk in the Foxy. This is the man's footwork for the back walk in Foxy. So starting with my left foot first, I'm going to take 2 steps backwards, and then I'm going to go sway, sway to my left. So 4 steps, 4-step pattern. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's specifically my footwork. It is back, back, sway, sway.
So now I'm going to do the follower's footwork for the back walk. So I'm going to take my right foot forward, left foot forward, side step, sway, sway. So it's just the opposite of our basic Foxy pattern. I go right foot forward, left foot forward, sway, sway. With the timing, I go 1, 2, 3, 4.
Together with timing, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the key points to the back walk. So when we dance this together, let's say I come from a basic step where we travel forward, we do a sway, sway. Then now, this is the first pattern where I don't travel forward in the first step. So my hand's on her shoulder blade again. As I start to move backward, it's going to catch her back like the other patterns, and I travel backwards both steps, sway, sway, and then my left foot's free and I'm back to the beginning. I could repeat that again and go backwards again if I wanted to. I would suggest, and maybe you hopefully know what's behind you, but I could do a forward walk and a back walk coupled together, and I get a stationary pattern instead of just doing like a cradle. Thank you for watching the back walk in Foxy. I'm Chris.
I'm Lindsay.
And this is Ballroom.
See you next time.